So check it out. After I made the first video of my MPC era Berkshire locomotive, I think that's the way it's supposed to be pronounced. I think before I pronounced it Berkshire, but oh well. Anyway, another guy contacted me and said he had the proper board for this locomotive, so I ordered it from him, and it came today, and I've got it wired up, and it sounds pretty good. At least the chugging now is synchronized to the engine where the old board wasn't. I think the old board that I had in there, the whistle was a little better sounding than this one, and I also had a problem that the only transformer I could get to get that whistle to activate was an MRC Tech 2, but we're going to take it for a spin. You can check it out. Alright, got it running good, smoking good, and now the steam chugging sound is paced to the locomotive. I had to use some photos from eBay to get the proper wiring. There's two wires that go to this particular unit, where the older boards just had one wire tethered to the locomotive. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.